So one of the things that you can also do is go ahead and browse the files on your remote computer and manage them. So to go ahead and do that, you can actually go around and click on Browse Files. So once you do that, you have access to the other computer file, as you can see. You can go back right here to go back a step. Let's say, for example, I can click right here and so forth and go back, or I can go to the parent directory by clicking on the up button. Click on Home and you get to my documents right here. And if you were to refresh, if the files don't load correctly, you can refresh it out as well. You can even go ahead right here. Let's say, for example, type in the address right here just like this, like Documents, and then you can see that you can navigate to that particular folder. Let me just go back right here onto desktop, and here let me just go ahead and click on the new folder plus button. You can see that I can go ahead and create this out. So let's just go ahead and create this out as sample2 right here. Click on this sample2 right here just like this, press enter, and this is what you have. You even have an option right here to rename, download, delete, or see the properties of that particular file for the details. As you can see, you can go around over here and then click the cross button right here to delete a particular file from the remote computer as well. So over here, if you want to copy the file onto your computer, so over here on the left hand side, what you see is your computer. So you can go ahead and download it out right here, or you can go ahead and select it and upload it to upload the file onto their desktop as well. So if I were to go around over here, click on one right here, you'll be able to see the folder that you created using the file manager. So that is how you can go ahead and use the file manager to manage out the files in your remote computer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.